Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn what to do when iPhone 15 won't restart. Occasionally, you may find the iPhone 15 acts up and doesn't work properly. You intend to do a restart to revive the device, only to find that iPhone 15 won't reboot. No power off slider appears after pressing the buttons. Or, the device won't shut down after dragging the power off slider. There are a number of potential reasons why restart is not working on iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max. It includes conflicts from connected accessories, system errors, old operating system, malware attack, broken buttons or damaged display. Fortunately, there are some methods available to help when you can't turn the iPhone 15 off then on. Simply follow the solutions below one by one until you sort out the restarting problem. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Remove any peripherals, then restart your iPhone 15. Incompatible accessories connected to your iPhone 15 may cause it not to reboot as usual. To troubleshoot it, try unplugging all the accessories from the phone, including the cable, headphones, etc. After that, press and hold both the volume up button and side button again to restart your iPhone 15 and check if it can turn off then back on normally. Step 2. Force your iPhone 15 to reboot with buttons. In the case where you can't restart iPhone 15 normally due to the frozen screen, a forced reboot can come to the rescue. Using a specific button combination can directly shut down the device then reboot it without requiring to touch the display. Here's what you need to do. First press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, then press and hold the sleep/wake button. After a few seconds, the screen will turn off. Just keep holding the button. Once you see the Apple logo appearing, let go of the button and let your iPhone 15 come to life. Step 3. Fix an iPhone 15 that won't restart in recovery mode. If you still can't reboot an iPhone 15, it might mean that the device is facing a more critical issue. For example, black or white screen, totally unresponsive screen, stuck Apple logo, and so on. To bring such a malfunctioning iPhone 15 back to life, recovery mode is worth a try. After entering recovery mode, you can use iTunes, Apple Devices app, or Finder on a computer to remove the bugs from the device's operating system by installing a new iOS or restoring the phone. Here's how to do it using a few simple instructions. Plug a USB-C into your iPhone 15 and connect it to your computer. Fire up iTunes, Apple Devices app, or Finder, which is used to detect and troubleshoot your iPhone 15 that doesn't restart. Then on your phone, quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button. And then hold the power button for a few seconds and let go when you see a laptop and a cable showing on a black screen. If you fail, just repeat the steps to try again. After entering the recovery mode, take a look at the program window from your computer. It should give you a dialog box with two options. Choose the Update option first and complete the on-screen instructions to install the latest software into your device. Test if the issue is fixed and your iPhone 15 can restart after the update. If not, enter the recovery mode again, then choose the Restore option to bring the device back to its factory defaults. As it'll wipe clean everything stored on the device, you'd better back up your phone before moving forward. Step 4. Erase your iPhone 15 in iCloud.com or Find My app. If your iPhone 15 will not reboot to recovery mode for some reason, try to erase the device using iCloud. As long as the device is linked to an Apple ID account, you can use it to log in to iCloud.com or Find My app, then locate and erase the phone remotely. Here, we'll take iCloud.com as an example to show you how to do that. Note that the erase process will delete everything on the phone, so archive data and files first. Here's how to do it. Navigate to iCloud.com on any browser. Once the login page loads, enter the Apple ID and password in the required field to go on. If two-factor verification is enabled, enter the code to move on. Then, click the Find My option, which will be shown as a green circle icon. Select the name of your iPhone 15 that cannot reboot, then click the Erase iPhone option. It'll prompt you about the risk of erasing a device. As long as you've made a backup, click Erase to start wiping clean your iPhone 15 to resolve the system issues. Step 5. Get your iPhone 15 examined at an authorized service center. Sometimes, when iPhone 15 restart doesn't work, it often indicates that the buttons are damaged or the touch interface refuses to register touches or taps. To work out these issues, bring the device to the local authorized repair center for servicing. Take advantage of Apple Care Plus if you've purchased it so that the repair might be free of charge. That's all for what to do when iPhone 15 doesn't reboot. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.